How you doing, YouTube? My name's Paul, this is SAINZFAB, and welcome to the very first video of us in our new workshop. We've been a long time coming to get into this place. We've had months of solicitors, months of other projects that have fallen through, and finally, as you saw in the intro, that key going in the front door was the first time that I got the keys and put it in the door and walked into this building the first time as the owner. It is a huge, huge step forward and a huge, huge relief to finally be in, and we can start doing all the amazing projects that we got coming up. We got some bike stuff, motorbike stuff, we got some car stuff, we've got a couple of cars lined up waiting to come in, including a Porsche that we've got just outside, and we're going to be starting on that for a full rebuild in this very video. So first thing we got to do, we got to move into this place. Clearly it's an empty shell. You've seen from the trailers, we got nothing in here at all. So we got a bit of decorating to do. We got a bit of fitting to do. We got bring all the tools in. We got loads of infrastructure, and as well as the car builds and the bike builds, we're going to do all of the infrastructure on the channel and show you everything as we go, right down to painting the walls, putting up the mezzanine. This little corner here is going to have a car ramp in it. Got loads of stuff coming up. It's going to be a really good time. In the meantime, first thing that we got to do, brand new unit to us, but not a brand new unit at all. So we got to change the locks. Let's get to that. Everyone, we promised you a bit of car content on this one, so let's get that first car in, shall we? And what a car to start the channel. We have got the absolute Le Mans legend, the Porsche 963.
Every time we come to Le Mans, we are not just coming to another race. We are coming home.
Okay, so clearly the Porsche thing was a joke, but we do have some really cool stuff coming up. The whole place looks like a bomb site at the minute, and that's to be expected, because while I had a lot of stuff to move into this unit, I couldn't buy all the shelving and worktops and things like that, because I ain't anywhere to keep it until we moved in. So all of that's coming up. We're going to get some shelves and worktops down that stuff. Down here is where the ramp's going to go. Over there is where some tooling's going to go. There's loads more coming, and you're going to be here for everything. But I'll just give you a quick overview of this pile of crap, and you can see what kind of stuff we got coming up. Over here, there's 2 sets of bumpers for 2 different cars. If you're really eagle-eyed, you might be able to work out what they are, but it's unlikely. I've got some sort boxes over there. We've got loads of that to put out. I've got to make a roll cab for them to move around the shop in. Got a mountain bike frame here. I've got a mountain bike back at the house. It's a cube. I don't really like it. It's a bit twitchy. So I'm going to change the frame out for this orange Patriot. That was a bargain. My daughter's MX-R50, that needs a recommission because it's been sat for a little while, so that all needs restarting out. There's a lot of flight cases around here, and there's also a lot of stage lighting and stuff like that. We got some big projects coming up with staging because I play in a band and we do a lot of stuff with that, so I've got some staging stuff to do. Got some fabrication equipment coming in. There's more coming. It's all in the other storage at the minute, but I can't really start moving stuff in until I've got somewhere to put it. So we got the breaker here, we got the vinyl cutter here, and there's a bunch of other tools that are coming in, and we're going to be able to do some really cool stuff in here. Flight cases, more car parts. There's going to be loads going on, so it's going to be worth hanging around. I think that'll be it for this one. I've got some more stuff to do. One of the first things we got to do is paint the walls. All of this stuff at the back here, there's all these wire clips and all of that. All that's got to come out, and then we got to give the whole lot a nice fresh coat of paint. Once that's done, we can start moving stuff in, and this place will really start to take shape. So.